Okay, so the machine is here, as you can see that. This is about, I would say about 20 millimeters here, and there you go, they're getting off a good cut. There's the machine right there. It's got two blades. Yeah, you can see that it's not completely flat, the green. It's, as you can see, it has a little bit of undulations in here. So what we have to do, we're gonna have to roll it and sand it a little. There you go. You can see it's a nice little green there. The fringe here, it's really thick. So it's gonna make for some nice chips. And here you can see this the slope here, but we cannot cut it completely at 5 millimeters because it was at 20, so you would damage the grass if we did that. So far so good. So basically the cut was 10 millimeters, and the only problem is that there's a lot of areas that are not level, like here and over there. So next cut will be about 8 and then 5, but there's a problem here because the green is there are some parts that are soft, so it has it's gonna have to be rolled and we have to sand it. As you can see here, they're decorating the green. We put some roses, and there's going to be some rocks around the green back there. So looking pretty good. And this right here is going to be a path that's going to be done with those rocks there. This pallets, some stones to lay on the path to the green. Here's the machine. Here is a Toro, 2 blades. There you go. Pretty nice. Very, very nice. It's set at 10. Okay, so now they're gonna do 0.08 millimeters. See how it cuts. You see how. Alright guys, so that was an update of the green. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure to subscribe and leave a like. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time.